Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming your Windows version because menus differ slightly between Windows 10 and Windows 11. Once ready, right-click an empty area of the taskbar to open the quick menu. If you see Show More Options, choose it, then pick Taskbar Settings. This takes you directly to the controls that show or hide the search bar. Make sure you have admin access if prompts appear, and keep the settings window visible for the next steps. You'll now find the Search or Cortana section inside Taskbar Settings. The label varies by Windows build. Once there, select the Display option. Hidden removes the search area, Show Search icon leaves a magnifier, and Show Search box makes the full bar visible. Toggle the setting to Hidden and watch the taskbar update immediately. If nothing changes, try closing and reopening settings. Sometimes the UI needs a quick refresh to apply. To finish, verify the search bar is gone and test the taskbar for expected behavior. If it persists, open Task Manager, restart Windows Explorer to force a UI refresh. That usually resolves stubborn elements. Once done, reboot the system if needed. If you're on a work PC and settings revert, check with IT because group policy or registry keys can enforce the search bar. Contact them, or open gpedit/registry with care. That single troubleshooting step addresses most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.